What are you doing it for? What? Well, you can't eat your toe and your breakfast too. You can't eat both of them together. Here. Here we go. Hey, lady. Hey, lady. Hey, lady. Hey, what are you doing making such a big mess this morning? Sit up. Sit up now. Oh. Hello. I'm going to try this again. You are a mess. Here we go. Ready? Oh, God. Why are you doing this to me this morning? What are you doing it for?